You'll now have to speak on this topic for 1 to 2 minutes.
I would like to tell you about a lot of leisure activities which I prefer to do in my leisure time. But here I would tell you about a beach which I recently visited. Which I recently visited. First of all, I went with my friends on the beach last month when summer starts, and there we enjoyed a lot. There were a lot of activities which we do there, like boating and swimming in the sea and near the beach, and we've gone for fishing for our lunch time, and after that while the sun which was setting there in the evening time, and which was a lovely scene there. And other thing I would like to tell about my free leisure activity is on the sea was rafting, which my friends and I did on the boat, and it was a awesome, I can say, awesome moment when we do that.
Okay, thank you. Let's move on to IELTS speaking part 3. What type of activities are popular among the people in your country?
There are a lot of popular activities which are popular in our country, like biking and racing the cars, and go out for shopping and these type of things.
Do you think people have enough free time for such activities?
I think people have enough time on weekends to do such type of activities because they have schedule of 9 to 5 or from Monday to Friday, and they are almost they are free at their weekend, so they have enough time to.
What type of activities will be popular among the people in the future?
I think shopping is one type of activity which is popular in the future, and I would say it's online shopping which people will prefer in the future.
Okay, thank you very much. That's the end of your IELTS speaking.